Welcome back, man.
Welcome to Why Voices. I'm sitting here with my good friend today, and we're going to be breaking down Exxon. As you know, there's been a lot of talk about Exxon and Chevron due to the Venezuelan crisis. And so we just decided to go in and look at Exxon today. To all my young adults out there, Exxon is not a company that's going to shoot to the moon. It's not that type of a company that you're going to invest in, and you pay $100 and next thing you know it's $160. It's not that type of company. This is one of the slower moving companies, but it gives you a great dividend stock. Josh, you want to tell them what the dividend on Exxon is?
Oh man, them dividends is pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. The dividends last time I checked was 4.12 per share. Last time I checked.
$4.12 per share?
Mm-hmm.
Man, that's just that kind of grinding money when you invest in something like Exxon, man. It just, your money just compounds over the year.
Yeah, and it says over the last 40 years, or 42 years, it's been going up.
Going up. That dividend just keep going up.
Yep.
Yeah. So, it's not that type of, but we're going to jump in on the chart real quick just to let you guys know. We're going to look back 1 year ago and we're going to see right here on the charts, we had a high a year ago, 131.72. And we had a low of $95.18. We're going to look back 6 months ago, though. We're still at the high of 136.83. If you look back, it's down to 108.85. See, you notice there's not a big increase in how much the share go up. But again, every quarter, you're going to get a dividend. You're going to make money off this
And if you
stuff.
have multiple shares, them dividends is gonna keep stacking and stacking and stacking.
So that means over, say, 10 years, you just invest in Exxon and you don't buy nothing else. You just put your money in Exxon. That money's just going to compound over the next 10 years. It's going to make you wealthy. It's not sexy, but it'll get you to where you want to go. And that's
what you need.
Yeah, we trying to walk off jobs, ain't we? That's exactly what this stock will do for you if you invest in it. Let's look back at the chart again. 3 months ago, we're going to open it up in just a little bit. We still had a high of 136.93. It came up a little bit to 114 for a low. It has been kind of gradually going up. Okay, gradually been going up. And that was just a month ago. Now let's look at the 5-day on the chart. 5 days. Each one of these white gaps represents a day and a night. And let's just kind of start seeing what's happening in the last 5 days. As we open this chart up and start looking at it. Again, it's still hovering around. It dropped down said Friday morning to 128. And let's look at how it ended. At the end of the day, Friday, it gradually came back up to 130. So as you can see, over the last 5 years, it's been basically 139 down to 130, staying the same. But the great thing about stocks like these is you get the dividend. That's going to hit your pocket no matter what. 4 times. When the market's up, you get a dividend. When the market's down, you're getting another dividend. 4 times a year. And over time, you're going to compound. Did you do a comparison with Exxon and Chevron?
Oh yeah.
What can you tell me about Chevron?
I tell you about Chevron is the share may be higher, but it's around the same. It does the same thing that Exxon does.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What's the share on Chevron?
The share on Chevron last time I checked it was 166.
166.
Mm-hmm.
So it's been hovering around 166. This one's sitting at about 130 or so. Both of them, like I say, is a type of companies. But looks like if America get in war, or the United States decides to do what they always do, take the oil from Venezuela or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
These type of companies right here is at the forefront. And guess who's over there right now? Chevron. Chevron is already over there. A lot of people don't know that, but Chevron is already over in that country. So just food for thought. We don't want to tell you guys what to do out there as young adults, but if you're looking for a long-term play, tell them a couple long-term play that they should be looking at.
Couple long-term plays, I'll say invest in Exxon, of course, and then Chevron, of course. Those two are always going to be, because one thing that people always need is energy. Energy for utilities such as transportation. They need oil for transportation. Even electric vehicles need oil. And that's something that that's something that Exxon invests in. And then what you could do is you invest into Chevron because it does quarterly return. It does a 4.6 quarterly return every quarter, and Exxon does a 3.19 every quarter. So I mean, either or, both of those are long-term plays, good to invest based off the current events that are taking place right now. So
I mean, you could just imagine, man, if you just took $25, $50 a payday, and you just put it over at Exxon and Chevron, I guarantee you probably after 10 years, you'll probably be walking off your job.
indeed,
Because these are the type of plays that slowly grind, but they just keep making you money over and over and over. Every time, every quarter, your pie is going to get just a little bit bigger. Next quarter, a little bit bigger. Next quarter, a little bit bigger. This is just food for thought. We want to thank you guys for looking at us. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and share. Love you guys. Y'all take care.
my young investors.